How to make a paracord bracelet, chained endless falls or chain links. In the next few minutes of this tutorial you will learn how. On the end, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Enjoy and have fun! Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use the gold paracord 550 and the black one also 550 and this small paracord buckle. Before we start, if you learn how to make this beautiful paracord board strap or a watch band, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box where you can find many other useful paracord tutorials. So that being said, let's start. First we're gonna take our gold paracord and pull it by the ends to find the center of it. Now when we find our center, we're gonna take this bite and insert into the buckle from the top. Now we're gonna pull it through. And before we cinch our cow's hitches, we're gonna take our black also by the ends, pull them together, find the center of black, and then pass it through the middle between the cow's hitch knot, like so. Now we're gonna tie it, cinch it, and proceed. So from here our black paracord strands are the outer and the inner or center cords are the gold cords. Now we're gonna cross our blacks and then we're gonna take our gold and pass it around the black and from the back through the loop. Very simple, very fast and easy to make paracord bracelet. If you like it, on the end of this video give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Enjoy and have fun! So as you can see, the first knot we made, we pull our gold cords to the outer side. Now we're gonna cross our black again, and then we're gonna pass our gold from the inner side, so to the inner or the center side. Cross the blacks again. Now the gold cords around the black and then to the outer side through the loop. So when we reach the desired length of our bracelet, I'm gonna show you in the moment. It fits perfectly. Now we're gonna just take the other end of a buckle, or we can leave it like that and simply insert our gold cords from the top into this end of a buckle. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So from the top into the buckle and pull it all the way, almost here. Okay, now from here we're gonna simply tie the cobra knot and secure our gold cords onto the buckle. So the right strand on top of the core strands, the left strand around on top of the right strand, under, and then from the back through the loop on the right side. So the simple cobra knot. And pull it all the way, tie it well, cinch it. And now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down. So here we are, our today's Paracord project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!